Loads and loads of non-Igbos has heard a lot about the Ijele Masquerade and how it display in its beautiful form, how it comes out, how it display, the activities it does, the kind of occasion it comes out to display for, which is always royalty and royalty alone. The Ijele Masquerade is one of the biggest masquerade in Igbo land and is fully respected. Enjoy this beautiful display by the Ijele Masquerade. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
Hey, camera!